The world is growing at an unprecedented rate. At a time when life is fast moving, diseases and lifestyle changes have become a part and parcel of our lives. Medicines and the pharmaceutical industry in particular thus plays a very important role. With such huge potential, what is required is an honest intent to provide people a safe and healthy life. And it is here that we come in. We are Mendyne Pharmaceuticals Private Limited, and we believe in transforming people's lives and taking it towards a better future. Established in 1937 by visionary healthcare veteran Dr. Prabhat Chandra Chakravarti, the company was rechristened in 1975 as Mendyne Pharmaceutical Private Limited, with Shri Prabodh Kumar Chakraborty at the helm of affairs. And every day since then has been a journey of continuous discoveries and reinvention. Mendyne believes in revolutionizing healthcare by creating path-breaking and innovative pharmaceutical products, and above all, tracking new technologies to enhance the quality of life. The company possesses optimal technical competencies and takes pride in converting intensive research in both Ayurveda and Allopath into remarkable customer-friendly products. Our top-notch production process and state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities ensure that the most cost-effective and quality healthcare products reach the customer.
Currently, we are operating with a capacity of 5 lakh liters of liquid products. We are manufacturing drugs, not only drugs, with our partner manufacturers based in the northern and the western part of the country. We are also manufacturing products which are natural, which are Ayurvedic, and we are also manufacturing products which are supplemental in nature, food products.
Ruchi Soya has been contract manufacturing for Mendyne since 2012. Year by year our association is growing, and we hope it grows further into this.
Complementing this is our dynamic and vibrant, more than 400 members strong team, supported by a management which is committed to a culture of excellence.
We are also planning to have a global presence. We will be converting our factory into a global standards factory in the very near future, and we wish to target emerging markets in the southeastern part of the world, and also expand into East Africa and the northern parts of Africa.
Part of our culture also involves acting responsibly, not only towards our customers and employees, but also towards the society in which we live and work.
Mendyne needs to provide support to the underprivileged persons of underprivileged areas, particularly the women, children and the aged persons of those areas.
Because for us at Mendyne, the true spirit of business lies in responsibility. Responsibility which goes beyond products, services and technology, and is resplendent in actions. Actions which encompass spreading knowledge, happiness, and above all, restoring good health for one and all.